Hey guys, I'm Double895 here, and tomorrow I'm gonna make a new vid. It's gonna be a review of. You know what? First off, I just want to show off my new headset from Wicked Audio. Focus. Huh? The trick actually does work. That was just a lube. Okay. He doesn't come packaged like this. First off, actually, you know what? Got the packaging right here. That's just your standard cover. Um, it's cybertronian. It's about this big. He is a level 3. Hold on. I should have got ready first. He's a level 3. Yeah. I'm gonna read his bio. Soundwave is one of the most sophisticated electronics and communications expert on Cybertron. His body is heavily armored and shielded to protect the sensitive communication gear hidden within, where he stores every bit or byte of information he collects. He is a living storehouse of secrets. No one trusts him, but everyone understands that the data he holds could destroy them all. And there's a couple cool things on here. There is a gimmick from the original. First off, the gimmick is this whole front part opens up. And if you look in there, you can see his 2 guns, which automatically, well, not automatically, you have to pop them out, but here's his chest one. It's nice. It's a very good light blue purple. Well, kind of. Once it hits the light, it's kind of a dark light blue, but the translucent pieces on this are amazingly purple. And this one is his handgun. Standard. And these, once you get them all closed up, are his batteries. Yes, he comes with batteries. I just love that thing. See, now this doesn't have flight mode like it usually does, but so I just turn it like this. Kind of have like a weird bug thing going on. But yeah, it doesn't really work that well. You know what? This thing has a little actually a lot of articulation in this little thing, in this mode. So I'm gonna start off with that. He does this little. These bend down. That's mostly for their transformation, but I still call it articulation. To transform him, I know I'm gonna mess this up, but take his 2 fetums from back here, completely detach them, turn them around. Oh, and I noticed this, you gotta put this up or else it'll just look like the windshield and the top half of the car. But once you do that, he will stand rather well. And wait, now you pull this and it will be like that. Well, I do this early on. So these wheels right here, just turn them that way. Try to get this on camera. Just rotate them like that. To the other side, because it's actually kind of a hassle for me to. And you know what? If you wanted to get this guy just for the posing, you could just have him like this. Isn't that silly? Yes, that is him half transformed. Now, what you're gonna do is, alright, bring out the arms, which are originally like that. Just bring them out. And again, something I do early on, pull the fists out. They are like this, so pull them out, rotate them. Crap, forgot which way to rotate them. Ah, there we go. Now my one I hate because it just won't turn all the way. So I think it's supposed to happen, but I'm not sure. Now once you get the hands all settled out, you got this little... Oh wait, with this part I forgot. You gotta push it like so. There. And I don't know if you could hear that, but yes, that does snap. It's not... It is kind of a tight hold. It takes a little bit of strength to get out. Not that much. Okay. There isn't an official way for these things back here, but here's how I do it. Bold. Boom. Done. Same thing with that. And just put them together. Sorry. It's hot out where I am. Next, here's what you do. Pull these up. Hold on. Oh, wait. There we go. Now, pull these apart, and you... Peekaboo! Sorry, trying to JT Michael thing there. Anyway, once you pull that out, rotate them down, the arms, and then these little... You rotate down the arms, and once you get to this little flap thing, just plop that in. I think they did to make it, nothing to see this one. It's basically the same thing. Actually, it is. Okay. And without the guns, here is Soundwave Cybertronian. This is actually a line from the video game. Here's how... Whoa. Here's how... You know what? I can't do it. He's about... With those little orange things, about that tall. I mean, here he is on my hand. Pretty big. I mean, my hand is exceptionally huge, but it is big. Now I just... Oh, before I get into something, my little gimmick that I made up for him, articulation. Oh, but first, see right here, that's supposed to be lead piping, but if you look at his face, which I'm not gonna focus well, anyway, it's maybe seem dark red on there, but it's actually a very light red. Now, no head articulation. Arms can go side to side, rotates all the way around, goes out, does that little doohickey, bends at the no elbow, wrist can rotate and go down. That's just for the transformation now. And and little extra thing, it can go out like that. No waist articulation. Legs can go all the way around, but you're definitely hindered because it is on a ball joint. But with all that top part, does a little no. It does a slight swivel. Rotates at the thigh. Bends at one point in the knee. Yeah, 1 point. Now, because of his transformation, this guy has way much forward. Back, no forward. Actually, it moves 2 places, and sorry, keep up my arms down, they kind of hurt. That does that on its own. That's the first joint. See? Right there. And I know my camera doesn't pick up colors really well, because that is the same color as his thigh. Oh, there you go. Now, with its regular, it goes forward slightly, back a lot, pivots from side to side, and that's about it. Now, there is no official way to have these, and yes, I dropped what. Now, here's how I have it. I'm gonna have it displayed probably. The minigun or turret goes on the shoulder, and on the shoulder, in the hand right next to the shoulder cannon, oh wait, there's one thing you gotta do with this blaster. You just put it forward, because it's very loose on mine, and then just pull it out. And there you go. There's what I call attack mode. The first one I just like to call scanner mode, or scouter. Here he is. You know what? Get some light on there. Yeah. I would have loved if he would have came with, I don't know, his tapes. Now here's the little gimmick I absolutely love that I created. Just like my computer screen. Now I take the shoulder cannon and the regular gun, still keeping the gun in hand. I stick the shoulder gun or turret, whatever you want to call it, and you got super attack. Yes, I combine them. It's nothing special, really. Now, the only reason why I got this... Oh, get that light down. The only reason why I got this is because Soundwave is my favorite Transformer out of the old line. Well, that's MDog1895 out. Peace. Oh, Wicked Audio. Bye.